Hello everyone, this video I want to show you how to make these paper patterns for sewing inspiration. Any one of you can make it. And let's start with those suit and mint wool fabric. I'm going to sew trousers. Now I'm on Much Fashion website. I'm looking for tailored trousers, especially for silhouette that I'm interested in. And now you can see what I'm looking for. This is trousers as perfect. First of all, because they are dark and the background is white, so it's easy to make those pattern, and the silhouette is good for me. I'm making a screenshot because I need those picture, and then open it as bigger as I can on my computer, laptop. The next step is to turn laptop on the table, little strange pose. Then I take a classic paper sheet. Now I have it in a white color, but you can use whatever you want, black, yellow, any color that you have. And draw it. Now you can understand why I needed white light background and dark trousers, because the white sheet is transparent and I can see silhouette. But those trousers are too dark for more details, and I drew it by myself, like pockets, belt, and others. And now you can understand that to make these beautiful patterns, paper patterns for sewing inspiration is easier than you thought. And now it's time to cut out the pattern. I start with those little pieces, little details like pockets and belt, and in the end I cut out the biggest parts. So my pattern almost is ready. I needed just 5 minutes for that. And now you can see how my pants will look like. Not exactly like this, but you can imagine. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You should turn different side your pattern, because the pattern should be total white without any drawings. I think it's a great idea to make more different pictures if you have your sewing blog on Instagram. Why not? But this is not the end. We are moving to the next fabric, and this is a viscose, checked viscose for summer, and I'm going to make a Pierce dress. I found this beautiful dress from Paco Rabanne on the Matches Fashion, and I'm going to make a pattern. To be honest, you can draw it without any pictures, but this is video about how to draw patterns without any drawing skills. And I'm going to repeat all those process that you have seen before. It was the easiest drawing pattern. It needs, I don't know, less than 3 minutes. And I move pattern, just need to find a beautiful lines combinations to make a picture, of course. My next fabric is a Santum cotton for crop trench coat that I'm going to make in spring or summer, and I'm not going to use a real picture of cotton. I will use a technical drawing that you can find in Google. This technical drawings usually used for pattern that you can buy or, I don't know, download for free, maybe. I don't know, because I make pattern by myself, and to make uh, trench coats for yourself. So here's the picture that I love, this interesting trench coat. You see inside there is a vest, and upper you can wear those crop trench coat, and total it looks like a classic trench coat, but in real life there are two pieces of it. But this time I'm going to introduce you my helper. Of course, if you have a printer at home, it's better, it's easier to use it. Anyway, it's better do not make pockets, buttons. It's not possible to make it because little details not easy to cut. Here we are. Now you can see how my future crop trench coat will looks like. And if you want, you can make buttons at this time, and it will looks like this. But I prefer do not do this. As for me, this kind of pattern is also perfect. As for me, this leopard pattern is best in this video because I am in love with leopard print. The next pattern is pattern of bomber jacket, and this jacket I have already made, and if you subscribe me more than half a year or year, you already seen it. Anyway, I want to show you how it looks like in a pattern and how it looks like in real life, and I really like it. And my last pattern for today, this is pajama set of cotton with those beautiful watermelon fabric. I'm planning to sew it in spring or summer for my home summer wardrobe. And now you can see how it will looks like. Very appetizing set. I want to show you one more pattern that I already made in my sewing projects. This is a pattern a little bigger than I was showing you before, because I did it with two pieces of sheets. The first step is to glue sheets together, then to find the picture, to divide it for two parts, and then to draw up part and down part, and then cut out those patterns. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.